Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
Nicki Minaj performing Beep Beep, Hard White and Press Play at her Pink Friday 2 tour at Barclays Center.
Ooh.
Wait, Beep Beep is just 50, right?
That's the remix of 50.
Lifeline.
Beep, beep, beep.
It must be hot on the stage though with the with the fire coming through. Yeah, because when we do the behind the scenes of like some artists, they say like whenever fires comes on, it's like super hot.
Hot. You know what I hate the most is when I see the sparklers, because I can imagine I would be so scared.
What do you mean sparklers?
You know, the one that with that you light up and
In
it
the
sparkles.
But it's not hot.
No, but they do the big one on the stage too as well. And Michael Jackson actually got his hair burned from that.
But it's interesting. So she's not like, I guess she's not performing full songs. I mean, I assume she wasn't gonna do all full because we have 4 minutes and 3 songs supposedly. But
This is for what exactly?
That's her concert.
That's her concert. So she has a long playlist set list that she's doing.
I
I
thought
don't know
she
how
would
long
do
is
at
the
least
full
full
concert.
song though. Well, 2 hours, I would think.
2 hours,
3
so
hours.
she fits in a lot of songs. Like of actual like singing as opposed to like
2 to 3 hours is the
intermission acts.
standards for the concert, I would think. The way that guy came out, that was cool.
Yeah.
That was cool. The diamonds blinging in the
bling bling
on the screens, yeah. She
left the stage.
Oh,
Is that what's
I
going on?
guess I don't know. Yeah, she came back. definitely loves the color pink. A lot of like the screen is all, everything is pink. looks like the play button.
Yeah.
Like you see it? Okay, cool. Honestly, I feel like Future is only good for choruses for me. I'm just saying. I don't know his own music. I don't.
Yeah.
Him on the verses, but he has a voice. He's like he can do like Nate Dogg, known for choruses. For me, like Future too.
His really good song like is Wicked. That's him.
But that's chorus too. Wicked.
That's his song.
I get it, but him on the chorus is the iconic part. Wicked. Name a bar from the song, like from the verse of the song.
You putting me on the spot.
Right. You do that to me all the time. So.
How does it feel? You feel good? You feel nice?
How do you feel?
You feel good?
Does it feel
nice?
good for you?
I don't know. You feel nice?
But I'm just saying,
Feel
like,
good?
he has, like, his choruses are good. Like, his voice for the chorus, but his verses, he don't really be saying much.
Okay guys, of course let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.